sobrang hangin. Ay, best friends! Andito kami ngayon sa Penang, Malaysia. And first time ko pumunta dito. Thanks sa Caris. Sama ko ngayon si Dayan. Hi, Dayan! Ready ka na kumain?
Ready rin bangs ko.
Tingin sa taas. Happy Chinese New Year kami. Hindi ko alam kung Happy Chinese New Year. Kung ay patuloy. Wow! Wow! Ganyan? Ayun na. Tour na yan. Maging lucky na yung year namin.
Bastos, okay? Good health to everyone!
Fear of heights?
Wala.
Wala naman.
Wala. Ikaw?
Wala naman.
Wala din.
Fear of death?
Ay, oo.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me.
Grabe, nakailang ganito na ako. Ano ba yan? Pero dun sa States, maliit lang. Kasing ganito na kaliit. Hindi tulad dito. Wow. Ano? How do you feel?
Ano kayang gagawin sa akin ng mga tao pag tumalon-talon ako dito? So,
Huwag po. Tatakbo talaga ako dito. Nalulula ako. Ano ginagawa yan?
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me.
Diba?
Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run over.
Good morning, best friends! So, hindi na ako nakapag-say goodnight kahapon kasi sobrang antok ko na and kung alam nyo lang, na-feel ko kagabi. Wala kasi akong tulog noon. Like, tulog, hindi ko alam kung considered ba yung tulog na 1 hour. Kasi 3 AM, gising na. And then, biyahe na lahat-lahat trabaho na diretso event. Best friend, kapag nasa airplane, minsan matulog, nakipagtsikahan. At ngayon, we're having lunch sa isang Japanese restaurant dito, best friend. Table ko ang Filipino na YouTubers. Si May. Hi!
Ano kami? Set up. Lighting set up.
She's bringing her sport bra brand to Sabrina. This is Sabrina from Taiwan. Yeah. we'll have a brand in our, and we have Caris. So it's kind of like sub-brand of Christina K. And any of you like create your own cosmetic brands, you can display here.
Hi, Beast Prince! Tapos na kami kumain, mag-lunch nila Dayan. So, ngayon pupunta kami sa shop ni Christina K.
Congratulations, Christina!
Congrats, Christina! Kaya kami nandito, Beast Prince. Launch na yung kanyang shop, kanyang brand.
Ganda! Ang ganda!
Oh. Pag makita mo, ayan kay Christina, Caris, wow, may kasabay pa siyang Adidas, Nike, Fila, Guess, Kenzo.
High-end brands din pala.
Oh, even the elevator is so cute. How many? Look, so pink. So pink.
We go second floor is our unisex. We sell Fila, Treasure Champion. Here.
Beast Prince, lahat ng mga brand na nandito. Gusto ni Dudong. May Supreme, may Bape. Ito, mahal to. Sobrang mahal na to. Pero sobrang quality. It's quality.
Like, look at this basic.
Ako din!
Tumalit na eh. Warman siya eh.
Ang ganda! Ito, it's so cute, so pink. So girly. So kanina sa baba, streetwear. Dito naman sa taas. Medyo girly. May maraming color. Girly talaga siya. Sorry. Bili ka?
I'm poor.
Beast Prince, may shower, oh. Pwede kaya maligo dyan?
She has been on the makeup show globally and possessed with the makeup class in a variety of countries such as China, Taiwan, Malaysia, Italy, Australia, and so on. She has been with the Curtis Refrigerating event since 2017, and today she's gonna do fabulous makeup with the Curtis Cosmetics.
하얀 페어를 반짝이는데 이렇게 라인을 두껍게 반짝거리 가까이서 보면 훨씬 피부가 너무너무 예쁜 것 같아요.
From and see her makeup.
다시 사진 찍을까요?
So next is the
Pool party na 30 minutes lang. So parang magkaganon lang tayo. Paalang yung tayo malamig.
pictorial. Pili ko pictorial.
Hindi ko puro picture lang.
Oh. Beast Prince, naka-base na ako. Yan lang mapakita natin, Beast Prince. Konti lang. Gambay. Dito kami mag-dinner sa Kota. Kota Kinabalu. Joke. Sa Kota. Nasa Fort tayo ngayon.
Nasa Fort Santiago kami. Intramuros lang pa lang pupuntahan natin.
Tapos may maliit na kamatis. So yun, for sure.
Ang leche plan. Hindi man hindi concert eh.
Nila biscuit. Tingnan mo si Ray. Oh, yung cute. Sobrang cute niyo. Fishy. Fishy. So biggy. Wow, I think this is a swordfish. Whoa. Look. Ayan. Ito. Yeah. Come here. Whoa. Salamat. Joke. Ayan o, nagka-capture siya habang
Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the bell button so you'll get all notifications. Go to options, choose all. Okay? Salamat kaayo!